Hi, beautiful. Ready to feel more delicious in your body? Softly discover your breath within your body and send the soft breath to your feet. Repeat after me. My energy is beautiful. My energy is like gold. My energy is like diamonds. My energy is expensive. My energy is so sensual. My energy feels so delicious. Move this delicious energy up to your ankles. Soften, soften, soften your ankles. Repeat after me. My energy in my ankles is gold. My energy in my ankles is diamonds. My energy in my ankles is crystals. My energy in my ankles is emeralds. My energy in my ankles is rubies. My energy in my ankles is pearls. Softly move your way into your thighs. Soften, soften, soften. Soften your thighs. See, using your mind, or really your womb, see all the emeralds, crystals, and rubies within your thighs. Softly breathe into your thighs. Soften, soften, soften. My energy is gold. My energy is diamonds. My energy is pearls. My energy is emeralds. Soften, soften, soften. Soften. See all those crystals and diamonds all in your body, your entire body glittering with them. Your feet are glittering with them. Your ankles are glittering with them. Your calves are glittering with them. Your thighs are glittering with them. Now we're going to enter into your secret paradise. A woman comes in Sanskrit, the name is Amrita, nectar of the goddesses. So this is the place where your hidden nectars, woman is hidden. With men, it's hidden something else, but it's equally as powerful in a very potent and beautiful way. My energy is so special. Say that to that special secret paradise, your velvet spot. My energy is special. My energy is sensual. My energy is yummy. My energy is delicious. Say it again. Our velvet area never gets to hear us tell her this. The energy is yummy. The energy is sensual. The energy is so soft. The energy is special. The energy is so delicious. While you're there, sprinkle on the gold, the diamonds, the pearls. See them in this secret paradise within your body, light radiating out. And move this softness up to your stomach. Soften, soften, soften. Move the soften up to your breast. Soften, soften, soften. Pause in your breast or your chest. Cover it with all the crystals. Pause here. My energy is gold. My energy is rubies. My energy is pearls. My energy is Swarovski diamonds. Energy is sapphires. Energy is galactic diamonds. Energy is delicious. Energy is sexy. And move to your fingers. Imagine the most expensive rings on your fingers. Inside of your fingers, the softest, most delicate, laziest energy on earth. How does your fingers feel with these heaven diamonds on them? How does this soft energy feel with inside your fingers? Repeat after me. Energy feels romantic. Energy feels passionate. Energy feels beautiful. Energy feels so pretty to wear. Move to your arms. Gorgeously sensual arms. So many senses inside of them. They completely light up your body. Imagine your arms are covered in the most gorgeous, absolutely beautiful crystals, diamonds, and gold wristbands. Rimmed in diamonds. Repeat after me. Energy is gold. Energy is diamonds. Energy is crystals. Energy is pearls. Energy is sapphires. Move onto your lips. Feel like there's all these rubies and diamonds and crystals in your lips. Energy is gold. My energy is pearls. Energy is emeralds. My energy is sensual. My energy is pretty. My energy is yummy. My energy is delicious. Pause in a moment. Feel your energy. Say, my energy is yummy. Feel that yummy energy in your feet. My energy is yummy. Feel it in your ankles. Repeat after me. My energy is yummy. Then your thighs. Fall into your thighs, into your velvet spot. Energy is yummy. And then fall into your tower. Energy is yummy. Fall into your stomach. Energy is yummy. Fall into your chest. Feel in your heart area. Energy is yummy. Most expanding as you fall into your yumminess. Energy is yummy. Fall into the soft energy within your fingers. Energy is yummy. Fall into the energy within your arms. Energy is yummy. Fall into your breath. Now gently, ever so gently, trace your breath in this shape of an S down through your throat, through your chest, climbing the end of the S, ending in your velvet spot. I always use the analogy of the Victoria's Secret symbol, the V in Victoria standing for your womb or your velvet spot, and the S for the sensual energy that is your breath. Breathe into the yumminess. Slowly trace the S. As you trace the S, see all the gold and diamonds and emeralds and pearls and rubies lying within your body. Breathe into your velvet. As you breathe into your velvet, you pick up the sensuality, the sex appeal, the sensuality. It's deep within this. The eroticness and the lusciousness of your own energy is increased. Breathe that back up to your lips ever so gently and keep that eroticness within your body. Close your eyes, feel the yumminess in your feet, your ankles, your hips, your arms. your fingers, your lips, even your ears, your nose. Feel the sparkly energy all throughout your body. Repeat after me. Energy is yummy. Energy is romantic. Energy is pretty. Energy is sexy. Energy is sensual. Energy is pearls. Energy is diamonds. Energy is expensive. Energy is lace. How do you feel? Hope you've enjoyed this simple, beautiful practice all throughout the day. Keep all your crystals and diamonds, but most of all, connect with the absolute yumminess of your energy that's within your body. See you soon.